Hi guys, this is Kingsley from IELTS. Today we'll be looking at Introduction to IELTS. This is one exam that most people want to write, either for the sole purpose of traveling to other country for work or for what? Studying. Now, the IELTS means the International English Language Test System. This is an exam that is widely used for immigration purposes, for work, and for study purposes. Now, most countries need this IELTS. Now, this IELTS is being organized by three bodies, and they are British Council, Mode IDP, and Cambridge. So they are the sole owner of this IELTS. The IELTS time is the same in all country, and the total time allocated for IELTS is 2 hours 45 minutes. Now the IELTS is divided into 4 modules. We have the listening, the reading, the writing, and the speaking. Now for the listening, the total time allocated to it is 40 minutes. 30 minutes for you to answer your questions on the question paper, 10 minutes for you to transfer all your answer to the answer sheet. Now for the reading, we have 60 minutes. So in your reading, you are going to see 3 passages, and you'll be using it to answer 40 questions. For the writing, the time allocated for the writing is 60 minutes. So for those of us who are doing academic, you will be seeing 2 questions. One, an essay question, while the other one is report writing. While for those of us who are doing general, you will also be seeing 2 questions too. An essay question and letter writing question. The speaking is also 15 minutes, although the speaking seems to be the easiest. So in all of this, the IELTS is one exam that when you take it, it gives you passport to a wider range of what? Country. Now, we'll be talking about each module, although we'll be starting with the reading. Please check the description of this video. You will see the reading link. Just click on it to continue the reading class. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please try and subscribe to this channel, because you will be gaining a lot from this channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time and effort. See you in the next video.